Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Usembut mitirang ba kejela uba snyau bhalang dhar ulai thu ba ka Sorkar kalamang pisa nyau pu ar Klur khat nyau lak tingka na ka Bynta ki Trai Jaka kiba a Jaka banchna Pynheh Jaka Liengsuiñ ha umroi berkani ka longtang na ka Bynta khat wei pa nyau pesan ikar ka Jaka ulai thu ba ka Airport Authority of India ka don kam ar pu ar ikar henrei shipho panlai ikar kala yo Jaka na ki shipai bat sa khat wei pa nyau pesan ikar pan ka Sorkar ka ha banthian Ulong bagi ofisar kidang Trai ya kakam ke jongki ban pendap no ya ke jingshim Jaka ban sedang no ya kakam.
For airport, we are all aware. Maybe we are on the same page, all the state citizens. So we from the transport department, my officer is on the job day and night, and even our deputy commissioner from Ribho, so he's on the job day and night, and to by any means because tender for the expansion has been called already. So make sure from the state government side we try to assure try to speed as possible as we can from the LA so that it won't disturb the development for the expansion of airport. As of now, already last month all the figures. And then tender so it seems already open. Yet to allot only. First not by the state from the NHA from the airport authority. Last days already and even participant also is already there. And even it seems the price bid also is, I'm not very sure, it's already open, it seems, only yet to allot only.